me for no reason. I will be unkind and show nothing to him slash her.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Mister,
Yeah, yeah, Queen.
I think there should be a comma
Yes, yes. Okay.
behind I will.
Okay.
And share nothing with.
All right. Yes. Yep. Share nothing with you. Okay. Okay.
If they are asking at me for no reason, I will.
Okay. Number two.
Come
Right.
on.
I am not responsible when
I am responsible.
Oh my
when
god,
I
they
play my
say it at the
favorite
double
games.
times. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
right.
one is correct.
That's
something.
Guys, be quiet! Please!
Yeah, be quiet.
Guys, we can hold off the comments until they finish, yeah, so we can respect them and let them finish. Okay. All right. Thank you. Next sentence, please, Vanessa. Yeah.
Sometimes
This is the worst day ever. Oh my! This is the worst day ever.
All right. Good. Okay. Next.
Sometimes I'm not really reliable because I'm lazy.
Bruh.
Very good, but you can also use unreliable next time. Unreliable. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
they're the
good.
same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm dishonest when I've done something wrong because my mom will be angry.
Yeah, very good. Okay, now can we go back to the first sentence so we can give the feedback now? Yeah. All right. Oh look, there's one more. Sorry. Okay, there's one more.
It's okay, Mister.
Yeah.
I'm not always because I always take the bigger slice of cake.
All right. Okay. Thank you
Yes.
very much. Can we go back to the last one? Okay. Very good. Oh, thank you. Nice.
Okay,
I
they
like
always
the design,
they always
guys.
try to win or
Ooh,
something.
The slides are nice. Yeah. Really nice. Very
Bruh.
good. Okay. Let's go back to the